The next thing we're going to go take a look at is OneNote. So at the very bottom of the screen, you can click on the OneNote app and pull it open. And it will probably prompt you to log in. It already has me logged in because I've used this app before, but you're going to enter your email address and your password, and it will log you in. Your screen's also going to look a lot different than mine because you won't have any notebooks in place at this point. You'll only have your blank notebook that says there are no pages in here at this point. That's completely normal. And to change that, we will be able to actually add some notebooks. The first way we're going to add a notebook is to click on the name here and just simply click on Add Notebook. Now we have to decide where to put this notebook so the computer knows where to save it. So we'll say Browse, Browse again. We want to make a point to save it in our OneDrive in our freshman year. And then the notebook that we're going to create is just going to be a generic notebook. Maybe you'll use it as a planner. Maybe you'll use it as just extra notes. So maybe you could call it My Extra Notes. And then you would click Create. And then your new notebook would be created. Another option is to use your class notebook. A class notebook is something that a teacher has already set up for you. Now, until you get to your classes, you won't know which teachers have set up class notebooks and which ones are expecting you to set up your own class notebook. If you have a teacher who has set up a class notebook for you, you're going to get to that by going to your email, looking for an email from that teacher that says, for example, Beth Merck has shared a class notebook with you. You click on the email and open it up, and it will take you to a different version of OneNote. It's going to take you to OneNote.com, which is similar, but it's the online version. It looks a little bit different. Again, you'll pick your email account to sign in, and you'll type in your password, and it'll show up. For instance, computer literacy eval. Once you have this notebook opened up here, you will also have an option to open it in the desktop app, right here at the top. And when you click on Open in the desktop app, it's going to take you back to the app version, which is down here at the bottom of our screen. When you're using your class notebook or just any notebook that you've created, it's going to be important to know how to save some of the pages that you've worked on. So for instance, an assignment. Pen is not cooperating, sorry. All right, if we want to make that look a little prettier, we can select all of it and click Ink to Text, and it turns it into just typing instead. Gotta get that out of the way. You don't have to change it into typing. Another thing that's really nice on OneNote is to change your view if you like to have some rule lines so that it looks like notebook paper. It might help you write nicer on your tablet. Regardless, once you have your homework assignment completed, you can print this to a PDF by clicking File, selecting Print, Print on the button. We're going to print it to a PDF. We'll say Print. And again, we need to save this to our OneDrive under our freshman year. and then we would save it based on whatever course. We're pretending this is for the computer literacy course, so I'll put it there, and I'll call this sample homework, and I'll click save. And now this assignment has been printed to a page that I could submit to my teacher. We're going to continue to practice with OneNote a lot this year in computer literacy class, but hopefully just by watching this video, you've successfully signed into your account and you can create a notebook if you need to.